welcome to the 2018 Urban Sketchers Symposium here in Porto, Portugal. Can you tell me your name?
Cris Franchevich.
And where are you from?
I am originally from Brazil, but I live in Minneapolis, United States.
Cool. And can you tell me a little bit about what you typically like to teach in a workshop?
I do like to teach watercolors and how expressive it can be.
Yes.
And I like to capture the moment. So in my workshops, what I try to be is to get the participants to capture what they see, what they feel, not only like represent what they are looking at, but capture the expression, you know, show their expression.
Right, capture the moment, what it is that's all around them.
Exactly. You can visit the place and bring your camera and take pictures, but it's different when you go and feel the space and you see the details, pay attention to the noises, to the smells, you know, and you can go back to that drawing and feel like you're in that place all over again.
Okay, cool. Can you show me some examples of your work?
Yeah, of course. This is, I just did at Viarco. I was in São João da Madeira, which is about 30 minutes south of here.
Beautiful.
And was drawing, walking around the city and drawing. There's a lot of old factories there. So I was capturing a lot of those old chimneys that are almost like
Beautiful.
archive
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
past, you know.
That's right. Those are beautiful.
Thank you. And then, as you can see, I use a lot of water. So it's more about the gesture, about representing how you feel in that moment.
Right. So some of your earlier sketches seem very precise, and this one you've got a more splashy thing going on. And
I believe I tried to change my approach. You know, I don't do the same way. I try to sometimes sketch with the ink.
Yes.
Sometimes there's no ink involved. Sometimes just a pencil.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's more with the use of the brush. So I changed. So, as you can see, there's still my mark.
Yes.
They're still pretty much mine, but just
A little bit
different
every
ways
time.
of approaching, I guess. Always trying to push myself.
So, yeah, that's wonderful.
Thank
Those are
you.
beautiful sketches, Chris, and thank you so much for chatting with me today.
Thank you for the time. Thank you.